So we'll start the asset, right? Okay. Okay. So
You
for
started the recording, right? You started the recording, right, Peter?
already started.
Okay.
Okay. So the first step is okay. The first step is to go to SPRO IMG reference. Okay. Then you have to go to financial accounting. Then you have to come down to asset accounting. And then first you have to create the organization structure.
I'm not able to see your full screen. The display IMG on the top, I can see only PLAY. I don't know.
You're not able to see the full screen.
Yeah.
Let me check. Okay. Now can you see?
No, it's the same.
Now?
Yeah, now I can see.
Okay. So okay. So you can see here, you have to come down to asset accounting. You have to first create the organization structure. This is the first step, organization structure. Click on organization structure. Okay. The first thing that you have to do is not this one. This is called check country, state, region settings. If your country is not set, then just check here whether your country is there. Okay. Now Okay, now what you have to do, you have to go to copy reference chart or depreciation area. Two things you are going to do here. You have to copy the chart of depreciation and the depreciation areas. Okay, these two things. So if you click here, do not try to create the chart of depreciation. It will give you, throw you error. So first thing, if you click here, you can see lot of chart of depreciation is there, and you will not find any new entries option. You will not find. SAP has given you the choice. You can copy from them. These 1710 SAP define. You can take 1000 also. If you click at the back end, you will not get anything. Nothing at the back end. So what you will do? Come out of this. Don't do anything here. Go to straight. Just check which company you want to create. Copy. We'll copy it from 1000. Okay. And then this one, copy reference and chart of depreciation. Double click here, we'll get this blank screen like this. Select it, enter the chart of depreciation from where you want to copy. It's 1000, and then you have to select your chart of depreciation. It can be anything. Our company code is 350. You can just showing you. I cannot create any second one. 350D or C, chart of depreciation, or 35CD, chart of depreciation. I will try to show you, but I have already taken one chart of depreciation for this company code 3501. I cannot create a second one, but I will show you till how far I can go without disturbing the present configuration. So I am copying my chart of depreciation 1000 to my chart of depreciation. It can be alphanumeric, it can be numeric. Continue. This pop-up will come and then you continue. Do you want to really? Yes. So from chart of depreciation 1000, you are copying it to your chart of depreciation that you made it 35CD. Chart of depreciation 1000 copied to 35CD. Okay. So now copy it. After that, you come out from the screen. Now you come to specify. Here you have to specify the second one. Double click here. Go to position and type 35CD just now. Enter. Now you can see here it is copied from 1000 to here. You just change your company name. Hollywood Incorporation. I'm letting it test because I'm testing this actually. Okay, so you don't do it and then you save it. So you change the name now here. It is done. So chart of depreciation has been done. Copied it from 1000. Okay, and that was the first step. You copied from 1000. The second step you changed the naming. Now you come out. Now copy delete depreciation areas. So this is your chart of depreciation. Continue. So you can sign lot of chart of depreciation applicable. Book depreciation, tax balance sheet, whatever is required by you as per your company, you can keep. Rest you have to delete. I will keep only two, book depreciation and the depreciation on basis of I am going to pay the tax. It will happen in real time from the main ledger. 0L is the main ledger. Accounting principle is GAAP, generally accounting acceptable principle. Book depreciation, one will post in real time, other will not post in real time, will get the information from book depreciation. Okay, one will be real post time, one will be non-real post time. And then you select the rest of them which you don't need, copy them and you delete them and you save it. Everything is fine, green, so no problem. Continue. Continue. So now you have this saved. So in here we do the three steps. First I visited here and checked which company should I copy, which is one. I have taken 1000. Then moving to the second step where I have copied it from the 1000 to my company, to my chart of depreciation. And in the third step, again we return back. We did the name of the change the name, and then we went to depreciation area where we gave the chart of depreciation, enter, and we remove all, keeping the two, one related to my book depreciation and one is on the basis of my tax. Clear?
Yeah.
Just 1 second. বল বল তো মা সবে গাড়িতে যাচ্ছে সেই জন্য বলছি আমি কেন? এরকম আমার কথা না বলছি। দেখছি না, আমার নাম্বারটা আমি করে রাখবি, ফোন করবি, আমি তো এয়ারটেল নিয়ে আছে, অসুবিধা নেই, ঠিক আছে, রাখছি। হ্যাঁ একটু তাড়াতাড়ি পৌঁছে যা, সব নিয়েছিস তো, পাসপোর্ট, এআরসি কার্ড এভরিথিং যেন না, ঠিক আছে, আর ঢোকার সময় আবার যখন ফিরবি তখন এআরসি কার্ড দেখতে চাইতে পারে, ঠিক আছে, আর খুব সাবধানে মুভ করবি, রাখছি আমি, হ্যাঁ। এয়ারপোর্টে পৌঁছে আমার আর ছবি পাঠিয়ে দিবি যে পৌঁছে গেছি, ফোন করতে হবে না, ছবি পাঠালে ভুলে যাবো, রিচ দিয়ে আসবো, ঠিক আছে। রাখ। রিবুর ফোন তোমার ফোনে ঢুকছে না, একটু দেখো তো। রিবুর ফোন তোমার ফোনে ঢুকছে না। ঠিক আছে, রাখছি, এখনো তো 8টা বাজেনি, আসবে আবার। Okay, so these are the steps. Now move on to the next one. Now you have created your chart of depreciation. You will find that transaction code has changed. Now you have to assign the chart of depreciation to company code. So you click here. Now you have to find your company code. So company code is 3501. Okay, continue. And here you have to enter the chart of depreciation. Okay, the chart of depreciation is, this is in a display mode. I cannot change it just because you can have only one chart of depreciation, so it will not allow me. I just shown you how to create it. So in real time you have to, just now that I've created, it should be placed here and I have to save it. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm not putting 35 CD, it will going to disturb the whole thing. So it has been done, assigned. Okay, now remember that the chart of depreciation is 3501. I just shown you how to create it. That's it. You will get like a blank like this. Against your company code, you have to enter your chart of depreciation, and that's it. So these are the steps that has to be followed. Okay, the next one is asset class. Okay, next one is asset class. You click on asset class, so you will able to see the asset class. Specify account determination, create screen layout, define number ranges interval, and define asset classes. So these are the 4 configuration that needs to be done. Okay, the first one is specify account determination. So click here. So you can see here, if you click any of these two, you will not find anything in the backend. So just a naming. Okay, so go to new entries, and we are making only one asset, huh? Okay, we are not making too many assets, land, building, plant and machinery, whatever. We'll do only one asset for learning purpose, 3501, and I am mentioning 3501A. Okay,
Okay.
computers, 3501, because there are a lot of thing I'm entering your name, huh? So that I can easily identify. So 3501. Okay, this is the account determination. Against this account determination, you will have to assign the GLs, and then you save it. So account determination is 3501A. Just note it down. That's it. Okay. Next one is, if you have 4 5 assets, then you have to mention 4 5 determinations. Here for our learning I am only maintaining one, that is 3501. Here I can write here computers, save it. Okay, now let us come out of this account determination screen. Let us enter the screen layout rules. Click here. Now what is the screen layout rules? If you double click at the back end also, you will not find anything. So it is just a naming, just up to naming. Okay, so you can maintain a common screen layout, means how the screen will look like, what will be the fields available. You can create one common for all, or you can separate screen layout for separate asset, one for machinery, one for computers, one for buildings, one for land, like this. So here I will do one, I'll create one for you. So uh, here you will see no new entry option coming, so I will copy one, that is 3501 already created, but I will create one for you. Yeah, this one I will select it, I will copy it. Okay, and I will make it like this, 350A common screen layout 01 OG. What happens? Okay. Okay, and then enter, and then save it. Okay, so now the account determination has been done, screen layout done. Now the intervals, because every asset should have a number range, and that number range will be derived from this configuration. Define number range interval. Click on number range interval. You will get a screen like this. So first you have to enter your company code 01 to create the intervals. See, 1 2 3 4 has already been created because I am taking other class. They have created, I have created 4 assets, so I have to cannot give 1 2 3 4, I can give 5. So let's insert the line, make it 05. Okay, and the number available is 10,000 has been taken, so I can make it 10,000 1 to 11,000 1 2 3. Do not click on external, then you have to feed the number manually, otherwise this is fine. So sorry. Okay, so now my number range interval is done with. Okay, so I have specified the account determination, I have created the uh, screen layout, common screen layout, and then I have defined the number range interval. Now I am going to define the asset class. So click on the asset class. Here you will find new entries option to create a class, that is account determination. This one is account class. So you can go to position, take the first two letter of your company code and CL, means asset class. Continue. Okay, in the backend, do you find anything here? In the backend, there are a lot of configurations out there. So what we will do, we will copy it from here. You can easily copy it, so that what is in the backend, I'll show you what is in the backend. You can do it. Okay, so I will select it, I will copy it, and I will make this one like this, 35CL means asset class. Okay, so my asset class is computer or G. I'm keep mentioning your name so that I can easily find out. JITH. Okay, now here you have to give the account determination. Remember, just now we have created the account determination. This is not your account determination, we have copied, that is why it is showing. So I think our account determination is 350A, most probably 350A. No, what was the account determination? Let's check. this one, right? This one is account determination is created, so we'll take this one.
Yeah.
Screen layout, we have also created, this is not our screen layout, we have created a different screen layout. So what is the screen layout we have made? Yeah, this one, 350A common screen layout, Ajit. Okay, now our number range is 05, right? We have already created 05 is our number range, so we'll directly put 05, 05 the number range. Include asset, you have to select. Asset under construction, you have to select. Okay, these two you have to select. Rest nothing to do here, and then you enter first. It will come here, your asset class. Okay, here also I have to add what Ajit. Okay, and then I can save it. Clear now?
Yeah.
Okay, next come to the general valuation. Okay, the next test is general valuation. Okay, come to a general valuation, set chart of depreciation. Click here. Nothing to do here, you just have to enter, that's it. So your chart of depreciation is active now. Now you come to depreciation areas. Define depreciation areas. Let's check what is it. Define depreciation areas. So this is not my chart of depreciation, it will be 3501. Continue. Okay, so already mentioned chart of depreciation. Okay, and you don't have to do anything here, it's already mentioned. Okay, if you take one thing, automatically in the back end you will see all these things. Okay, accounting principle needs to be changed, I am not changing it at the moment, but it's okay. So define depreciation, these are all okay. Define depreciation areas. Let's check this one. Yeah, these fields, these fields you don't have to do anything, you have to work with this one. Determine depreciation areas in asset class. This configuration you have to do. Click here. You will get a screen like this. Now remember what is your asset class? It is 35CL. Let's say. So 35CL is showing. So if you double click here, you will not get anything. Just select it and click on asset class once again, nothing. So select it and click on depreciation areas folder. So now you can see first you have to deactivate it. It is in a deactivated mode. Can you see it, this is your
Yeah.
class, so this is in deactivated mode. First remove this first thing. Okay, and the layout here you put 1000, 1000, 1000. Okay, you can see one the depreciation on main asset. Remove the ticks and enter. Now these lines will get activated. So what will be your depreciation key? Simply SAP has already created. You can take this standard one, straight line, remaining life pro rata to 0. Remaining life will slowly will become 0. You can take this. There are a lot of options available, but this is the widely accepted and this is the standard LINS. So double click on LINS. Okay. Again here also take LINS. Okay. And now useful life. So book depreciation, and this is depreciation as per the income tax rule. Okay, so one you can take 10 years normally standard, and if there is periods are there 10 years 6 months, 10 year 3 months, then that month will come here. And as per income tax, normally it takes the half in India 5 years. So if it is 5 years 6 months 7 months whatever, the month will come here. This is the useful life. Okay, and then you save it. Clear?
Yeah.
This is how you maintain the depreciation key and with the depreciation areas. With the depreciation areas, you are assigning the depreciation keys and the useful life. So we are done with this one. We have saved it. Yeah, we have saved it. Okay, now comes the very important configuration, integration with general ledger. Because whatever depreciation accounting will be doing, you have to get this integrated with the general ledger. So if you click here, okay, you will find this option, assign GL accounts. Okay, this one is the assign GL accounts. If you click here, you will get the option of the GL accounts. So chart of depreciation is showing here. Okay, so one by one you have to assign the GLs. So what GLs you need to create? In our system we have created these GLs. First the balance sheet account, sir, slash in FS00. Okay, remember we have to create, here it is, first the balance sheet accounts. If you select here, double click here, what happened? Not opening. Okay, it got hanged actually. Assign GL accounts, select it, click on account determination. So you will get the account determination. Here you have to select the account determination. Okay, go to position. What is your account determination? 350A, right? This is your account determination.
Yeah.
You can see account determination. Now select account determination and click on balance sheet account. So here you have to enter your balance sheet GLs. So what balance sheet GLs you are going to assign? Let us go to the screen. FS00. Okay. You go to asset. First you have to create this one. Fixed asset computers. The first one will be fixed asset computers. So you double click here. You can see here in the fixed asset, you should add the word fixed assets so that you can easily understand fixed asset. So balance sheet, it will be under asset because computer will come under asset. Okay, balance sheet, asset, computers. After that you go to control data. You can go to INR, asset, and in the create bank interest, you have to give this one. Okay, so if you want, you can select this. I can copy it. So what will be the available number? Let's calm down. 519. You can take 520. Okay, so select it, copy it, 520. So we can click here. We can see here FA computers, and you can write on G. Okay, Ajit. So we have created a fixed asset, computers, control data, INR. Remember, this is a reconciliation account. This computers is a reconciliation account. So you have to tag it with the asset. Go down in the short key. You can give your posting date. Here it is the posting date and create bank interest. You have to select the reconciliation account group. It will be G067. Okay, and the keywords you can write English and you can write Ajit, AJITH, and you save it. So now you can see here your fixed asset has been created. This is the first one. First GL you have to create. Then go on the top again. Next will be this one. accumulated depreciation computers. It will also go into asset, accumulated depreciation computers. So after you create the fixed asset computers, you have to come to accumulated depreciation computers. So double click on here. Next one will be, I think, 5. What is the GL 520? This will be 521. Okay, enter. So now you can see same balance sheet asset, accumulated depreciation computer. Naming remains the same in the control data. INR. This is also a reconciliation account. You need to add asset and short key you can take as the posting date. Create bank interest G067 because it's a reconciliation account, and the keyword you can make it Ajit, GITH, and then you save it. So if you come this one, you can see here accumulated depreciation is computers. Clear on this?
Yeah. So what is the difference between the two accounts, 520 and the 521?
That is the main GL, and this is the depreciation that will get accumulated throughout the year.
Okay.
Okay, next one is, so computers accumulated depreciation, right? Done with. Now this one. Come down, come down, come down. Okay, so you have created two GLs, 520 and 521, right? Okay. The next one will be, let me go to the screen, but the assignment is done. This is the balance sheet. Okay. Uh, this one will have to be come down. Okay. So under asset, we have created two GLs. Okay. Okay. Now go. We have created this accumulated depreciation computer and computer accounts. Okay. Here nothing to do. Nothing. No further GLs. Okay. Okay. Now we'll go to expenses. In the expenses, under expenses, you have to create this one. You can note it down what are the GLs I'm creating. Okay, it will not be in expense, it will go to revenues. It will be in revenues. Okay, now you can see here in the revenue, I'll be creating this one. Uh, First one is under revenue, asset sale account. Okay, under revenue, you have to create asset sale account because in case you are selling your asset, so you need to have the asset sale account. So what is the last number taken? Revenue 3022, so we can make it 3023. So asset sale account, first one, not sale ordinary sale, it's asset sale account. So copy this, copy it, then 3023, continue. So you can see asset sale account, it will be under primary cost and revenue. Okay, in case normally what happens, you are selling asset like machines, like buildings, okay, land, computers. If the computers is not related, but normally computers related to business, if any asset that you are selling that non related to business, it will go under non-operating. Okay, for our example, we are selling computers that have been used for our business purpose, so we'll take it as a primary cost and revenue. This is revenue. We have the asset sale account, we make it OG AGITH. Okay, then go to control data. In the control data, you have to give the INR. Since it's a Cost revenue cost GL, so it has to be tagged with the cost element category 11. 11 stands for revenues. Okay, and then you go to create bank interest. It's a revenue account, so it will be G029. Field status group. Here it is G029. Then you go to create bank interest. Here you can change your name English to Ajit, and then you save. So sale account has been created. Okay, next comes what is called the asset sale clearing account. Clearing account is required in case of this loss and profit and all those things, so you need to clear them. Okay, so you need to have the clearing account. So asset sale clearing account. So what will be the number? We can take it 3024. Continue. 3024. You can see here asset sale clearing account. AJ. Here you can write Ajit. AJITH. Go to control data. INR. Okay. It will also be under revenue. Posting date. Create bank interest. G029. Same keywords. You can send it to Ajit. AJITH. Okay, so we under revenue created two accounts. One is sales account and one is sales clearing account. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Now, okay, so these two are the under revenue. Now let's go to the close the expenses. Now let's go to the revenue. Now go to expenses. Expenses, what we'll do? Here it is. You have to create two GLs here also. First is depreciation account. It's under expenses. Depreciation is a cost, right? What is the last number available? 2141 I can take. Okay. So depreciation was select, copy. You can take 2141. 2141. So you can see depreciation account. This one will be in your name. AJITH. Okay, AJ. Okay, this one right on. AJITH. Control data. INR. Okay, this is expense account. So you have to take cost element category. This one. Okay, now go to create bank interest. G004 is the expenses account. If you select here, you can see here G004 expenses. And in the keyword, you can English and you can give your name or find it out. Then you save it. So your depreciation account has been created. Now this one, loss or gain on asset sale. This is very important. Loss and gain on asset sale. So this has to be created. Okay, it can be a loss, it can be a gain. Okay, so loss and gains GL will go under expenses. 214 is the last one, so copy this, make it 2142. 2142. 2142. Continue. Okay, continue, and then you can see here loss on gains on asset sale or GITH. Control data, INR, posting date. This is also same one will come, primary cost and revenues. This will be G004 expenses account, and here is the keywords. AJITH. Okay, so now my all my GLs have been done with. Okay, whatever the GLs have been required, we have created. We have created a depreciation account, GL, then loss on gain on asset sale. Okay, now we are in a position now to do the assignment. So this is called the integration. So in the balance sheet account, the first thing is computers, fixed asset computers, Ajit. Okay, acha, GS taken a GL account, sorry. I have to go to keyword. Keyword. AJITH. So now you can see here fixed asset computers. Remember, we are assigning the chart of accounts, account determination, depreciation area with the balance sheet. Okay, these two leave it blank. Now, loss made on asset sale retirement. It is called the scrapping account. Okay, loss or gain on asset sale without revenue. So this one will come here. Ajit. This one. Loss or gain on asset sale. Then clearing account revenue, asset sale. Clearing account revenue, asset clearing account. This one, clearing account. Now gain or loss on asset sale, this one will come. Same, 21, 2142. Remember, all balance sheet accounts will come. All GLs related to balance sheet. 2142. Okay, so all GLs related to balance sheet will come here, and then you save here. Clear now?
Yeah.
Now you go to depreciation. So here now you have to give the depreciation account, ordinary depreciation. Okay, what is the ordinary depreciation? You give the keyword Ajit. Normal depreciation account will come here, and here it will come the accumulated depreciation. So you can come here, you can see here accumulated depreciation computers, and then you save it. What it is saying? 2141 is not a balance sheet account. Okay, maybe I made a mistake over here. Ajit. Accumulated. Okay, okay, sorry. This is depreciation account. Oh, this will not come here, sorry. It will come here. Expense account of ordinary depreciation. It will come here, this one. AJITH. Enter. This is expenses account for ordinary depreciation. This is not. This is accumulated depreciation. Now I think it will not give error. Now it is correct. Okay, so expense related, this is an expense account, and accumulated depreciation is a balance sheet account. and now you save it. Clear on this? How we have
Yeah.
assigned the depreciation areas, how we did the integration.
Yeah.
So this is how you do the integration. Okay, clear on this?
Yeah.
Okay, now there's a new thing added in HANA, that is this technical clearing account. Remember, in HANA, this is a new addition in HANA which is called technical clearing account. Okay, it was not there in ECC. Technical clearing account has been created to keep accounts payable, because in case of vendor you are paying purchasing the asset, so it's accounts payable and asset accounting separate. So that is why, to keep accounts payable and asset accounting separate, independent, in SAP I introduced a new thing which is called technical clearing account. Okay, so if you go to this GL account, you will see that we have created a technical clearing account, which will also go under asset. See here, technical clearing account. This is a new addition in HANA, remember. So we can take 2142 and then we can take 2143. 2143. 2140 you can see. So copy this technical clearing account, copy it, make it 2143. No, why 2143? This is not 2143. Expenses. Okay. 521. 522. Okay. 522. Select it. Copy it. Make it 522. Enter. So you can see here type and description. Technical clearing account. I'll mention it on it. HAITH. Control data. It is also reconciliation account under assets. So you have to select the asset. So INR. Nothing at the bottom. Here also you have to take the reconciliation account G067. G067. Okay, and keywords. Make it object. So technical clearing account is a new concept. Save it. Clear now? How
Yeah.
many GLs you have to clear? Okay. Now we'll go to the customizing area again. Asset accounting. Okay. We'll close all this path. Okay. Yeah. So you can see technical clearing account for integrated asset acquisition. So you have to click here. Okay. So define technical clearing account for integrated asset acquisition. Click here. So what you do, you have to assign your technical clearing account with your chart of accounts. So go to new entries. I don't think it will allow one more. Let's see, 3501 is the chart of accounts. And what is our technical clearing account? Just now we created AJITH. Enter this one 522 and you save it. See, it will not allow you another one technical clearing account because one is already created. Okay.
Okay.
So in a fresh case, you have to assign the technical clearing account. Remember that. Come out of this. Come out of this.
So what is the technical clearing account for the 3501?
Technical clearing account is used in HANA to keep accounts payable and the asset accounting separate. Okay. Accounts payable is to pay using the document type KR vendor invoice, and asset accounting document type is AA. Both these two will keep separate. Asset accounting is for valuation and KR is for payment. So to this technical clearing account, we keep the two independent. I'll give you a note on that later on. Okay, I'll prepare the study material and send it to you. So this technical clearing account concept is clear.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, you have to make another final configuration, that is assign input tax indicator for non-taxable acquisitions. Okay, this one is the final one. You'll get a screen like this. Go to position, enter your company code. This is for non-taxable, and this one you have to create. So V is for input tax 0, V, and A is for input output tax 0. Okay, this configuration is the final configuration. You have to do it, otherwise system asset will give you error. Okay, so this is about the configuration of asset accounting. Hope it is clear to you.
Yeah.
You will get the video study material. I'll prepare once for other students also. I'll send that one to you. Okay, so
Okay.
now we can come to easy access. We'll do the testing accounting, financial accounting, then fixed assets. Then you go and create the asset master. Create A01 to create the asset master. Okay, so double click here. You will get a screen like this to create the asset master. Transaction code is A01. So what is the asset class? It is 35CL, right? Here are asset class. Company code 3501 and similar assets 1. Enter. So you can see, you can create the asset master. Two things will be important: general time data and the depreciation area. So in the description you can say uh, D D E L L. No, Dell is there. Most of the things will be here. HP HP laptop model number ABC 2025. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Then I'm writing Ajit so that I can find it out. So what is your account determination? 351 automatically has come. See, okay, capitalization date don't mention, means the day you are start using the computer, that day it will be mentioned as a capitalization date, and along with the depreciation will start. You can change the capitalization date. In many cases machines are delivered at your factory, but the machines are not installed. The company people, engineer will come and install and will run. So till then it will not be capitalized, right? There are certain cases on the scenario basis. Same case of laptop also. If you bought the laptop, somebody will come and will activate it, upload some softwares, all those things. Till then it is not capitalized. This is number one. Now go to time dependent. In time dependent, you have to give the cost center. Means for which area, which place you are buying this computer. So it will be, I'm taking Hyderabad factory. Your case will be different. If business area is required, you have to give plan, location, everything. Room also. Because if there are, in a company there can be room also. Like there's a finance room. Okay, there's the legal room. So you can mention those room wise also. These two needs, don't touch anything, go to depreciation area. In the depreciation area you can easily see that book depreciation, do not click this, and 5 years, 10 years, if there is any period, otherwise this is fine, don't do anything, and then you save it. So now your asset is created. Now you will able to do the acquisition. Once the asset master is created, then only you can go and do the acquisitions. So create it, close it, go to postings. So acquisition, external acquisition, F-90. F-90 is for the external acquisition. Click here, you will get a screen like this. So document date is today's date, F4, F2. KR is the document type. Period is September, because in our company we have taken for April. So September is 6. Scroll down, you will see 31. What is 31? 31, you can see here, 31 indicates that your vendor invoice to be credited. So select here and click here and find out the vendor. So your vendor must be ready. Okay, the vendor has to be ready. So we can take the test vendor on here. Test vendor 4. Where it is? Test vendor 4. And then you enter. Okay, now suppose you're purchasing the laptop for 50,000. Okay, everything will come here, payment terms, purchase of laptop. So here you have to take the posting key. Posting key will not show here. You have to take the posting key here. Here it is. 70. Debit asset. Okay. Debit asset. So take it and now you click here. You will see the assets. Which asset you are purchasing? This one. HP laptop model number ABC2025. Select it. Then you have to give the transaction type. What is the transaction type? Transaction type will be external asset acquisition. Enter. Here also don't have to give the amount, you have already given asterisk mark and you give the plus sign here. That's it. Your asset acquisition will be effective. Simulate. Simulation is being done and now you post it. See, the account has been posted. So if you want to see the transaction behind the report /n FB03, enter. You can see the document number has appeared. Now click here. See, now you can see here how the transaction has been done. If you go at the back end, you can see here. Okay, click here, you will to see what you have done. This is called the entry view. If you go to general ledger view, you will see the sundry creditors, means behind the vendor the account reconciliation account is paying. You have purchased the asset but you have not paid, so that is why it's in the sundry creditors. Entry view, vendor is in the front. When you go to general ledger view, you'll be able to see the sundry creditors. Clear?
Yeah. What is the document type for this one? KZ?
Which one?
This the one that you just posted, right?
It is AA.
Okay.
Okay, sorry, KR is the vendor invoice. Now if you go to, this is the new thing because of technical clearing account. If you go to asset accounting, now you can see here KR is the document type for vendor invoice and A is for the valuation. Now you can see the technical clearing account has come. Okay,
Okay.
this is the thing that is happening in the line items. Document type GL table. Okay, clear on this?
Yeah.
So I'll close today. I will take only one more class to complete your asset. Okay. In the meantime,
Okay.
I'll prepare the study material. I don't know whether I'll be able to take first 2-3 days next week because here the celebration has started. Okay, Durga Puja and all those things in Bengal. Okay, so I'll let you know when we'll be taking the next class. Okay, next will
Okay.
definitely I will take as my time is available. I will drop a message one day in advance. I'll take the class. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that's it from my side for today. Okay. We'll
Okay.
meet again next week.
All right. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks.